Dear learners, good morning to everyone. Thank you very much for joining us in our platform Moodle at Lunissi Ali University of Blida in Algeria. Today we're going to present our 17th lecture titled What is a Digital Project? So I have divided my 17th lecture into the following elements as follows. What is a digital project? What does a digital project manager do? Language activities including building vocabulary, pronunciation, and grammar. Finally, your assessment including quizzes, tests, exams. So what is a digital project? A digital project compromises the planning, preparation, and production that goes into creating electronic publications. Possible electronic publications include websites, electronic books, digital images, etc. What does a digital project manager do? The role of a digital project manager can vary based on the company and the type of digital projects that they manage. Typically, these individuals have a leadership role on the project team and communicate with other team members to guide them toward the successful completion of the project. Language activities, digital certificate as a compound noun in computing means an electronic document that is used to prove the identity of a website and ensure that it is safe to use. For example, be sure the site has a valid digital certificate. Finally, please learners, don't forget to take a look at your different types of assessment, including quizzes, tests, and exams. Thank you for your attention.